Backlinks are an important factor for search engine ranking. So what backlinks are, sometimes they're also known as incoming links, inbound links, inward links, incoming links to a website or a web page. So basically it's any links that are pointing to your website, and they are an important factor for search engine ranking. So there's a number of things that when you are doing backlinking to take into consideration. So I've got a whole list of different tips. So just over here, there's backlinkwatch.com. So if you want to find out who's linking to you, what websites are linking to websites, so you can even enter in your competitor websites and see who's linking back to them. So these are some tools that you can use. I mean, as we can see, there's quite a lot of advertisements on here. So just enter your URL just over here, and it will do a backlink check and list out all the backlinks pointing to this particular domain. There's also another really good one at majestic.com. So just over here, I can see backlinks for the website as well. So I'm going to do Wikipedia, and obviously we're going to get a whole lot of backlinks going over to Wikipedia. So some things to consider when you are getting backlinks. Make sure that you're not getting backlinks from websites that are blacklisted, and ways to get backlinks, usually doing guest posts and that sort of thing. They're really good for getting backlinks. Links from your competitors are going to be really, really valuable. And as we can see, we've just got so many links here in Wikipedia, and this is probably the reason why every time we type a term in within search, we get a whole bunch of Wikipedia results at the top. So also avoid too much diversity with your backlinks. Make sure that your backlinks are all along the same lines, the same type of categories, the same type of content that's linking into you. Also avoid using terms like sponsored links and that sort of thing that can actually hurt your backlinking. And one of the really good things about majestic.com is they've got this backlink history, so you can actually see how you're doing with backlinks over a 90-day period. You can see if they've been increasing or decreasing, and if you see your backlinks are going down, then you could look into it to try to figure out what's happened here and why the number of backlinks are going down here. Why was there a sudden drop here? So this is a non-cumulative view. So this is just showing those individual results. So if this was an actual cumulative view, that would mean that it would be going up, but if we were decreasing in links, then a downturn would be very bad as a cumulative link. So contextual links are of higher value. So those are links with actual keywords in them. And we see over here within Backlink Watch, it actually tells us the anchor text that's within the link. So having some really good anchor text here within the link, this will count really well towards your linking, your backlinking. There's also flagging here of no follow. So we're going to talk about that in the upcoming lessons as well, what that means. But essentially that just says that this particular site has added a no follow within the hyperlink, so that they don't want their link juice to flow out to this website. So links from top level domains are ideal. So we see over here, this is a top level domain. So we've got a bunch of subdomains here, so these are not as ideal. Also, we could take a look at and we could see where the link appears on the page. So if the link is appearing high within the page, then that's good. If it's appearing lower in the page, then that's not as relevant and not as high ranking and deemed not as important as links that are within higher parts of the page. When it comes to linking, sites that are considered higher of authority, so BBC here, so this is a really good authority site to get a link from. Also the domain relevancy, so Wikidata, so this is a relevant domain. Text around the link Of course, this is important as well. Content around link number, words on the page, all of this is important when it comes to linking. Also IPs, so the more IP addresses, more different types of domains that are linking to us, the different types of servers that are linking to us, referring subnets. So the more all of these, the better. And we also have this trust flow as well. So ideally you want to have really good trusted websites linking to you. Also avoid websites that have a lot of links going out. So these are generally not as high within ranking and won't give you as much link juice essentially as the other sites do. So they always keep that in mind, and always take a look at who's linking to you and how that relates to your website and your web content. And we're going to be talking about linking in more depth in the upcoming lessons.